Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to only let admins send messages in WhatsApp web. If you're an admin of a group and want to have more control over the conversations, this feature can be really useful. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your computer by launching the WhatsApp web application. Step 2. Go to the desired group chat where you're an admin. Step 3. Look for the three dots icon located at the top right corner of the screen and click on it. Step 4. Select Group Info from the drop-down menu. Step 5. Scroll down until you find Group Settings and click on it. Step 6. In the Group Settings menu, click on Send Messages. Step 7. Check the circle next to Only Admins. Step 8. Finally, click on Confirm to apply the changes. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to restrict the ability to send messages in a group chat to only the admins. This can help maintain a more controlled and focused conversation. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more WhatsApp web tips and tricks.